If your iPad says storage is full or you have apps you don't use anymore, this video will help. I'll show you how to safely delete apps and free up space on your iPad step by step. Before we get started, let's run through what to expect in this tutorial. First, we'll discuss why deleting apps is safe. Then we will look at how to delete apps from the home screen. Deleting apps from settings. We will discuss what not to delete. Simple storage tips. I'll then give you the beginner's tips. And then we'll run through what to expect on the next tutorial. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that deleting apps won't damage your iPad. You can always reinstall apps later if you need them again. Let's start on the home screen. Press and hold on an app until a menu appears. Tap Remove App. Then tap Delete App and confirm. The app has now been deleted from your iPad. You can also delete apps from settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Then tap iPad Storage. Here you'll see a list of apps and how much space they use. Tap the app you wish to delete. Tap Delete. Then tap Confirm Delete. The app has now deleted from your iPad. Avoid deleting apps you're unsure about, especially system apps. If you don't recognize an app, it's best to leave it for now. Photos and videos take up the most space. If storage is tight, removing unused apps can make a big difference. Deleting unwanted photos, videos, and apps will free up storage on your iPad. Instead of deleting an app, you can also offload an app that you rarely use and keep its data stored. Follow the process learnt to delete, but instead tap Offload App. Freeing up space helps your iPad run more smoothly. You now know how to do this. In the next video, we will look at iPad settings that you should change. If you're new to iPad, subscribe for calm, beginner-friendly tutorials.